Hello and welcome to BananaCrystal. In this video, I'll be walking you through how to send and receive payments as a business owner on BananaCrystal. This video is going to be subdivided into four categories. The first one is briefly talking about the advantages of being a business owner on BananaCrystal. The second is how to set up a store and a business account on BananaCrystal. The third is how to receive funds into your business accounts. And the last category is how to add business employees and pay them in BananaCrystal. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. The first thing you need to do is to navigate to the website. So you need to, from your URL, your browser, navigate to www.bananacrystal.com. Here, you'll be greeted with our intuitive interface. And to set up your business account, you need to sign into the platform first. So I'm going to sign in. Here, I'm going to fill in my credentials and complete the reCAPTCHA. And now I am in the user dashboard. So this is my user dashboard. And for this video, I'll be using OJ to set up a store. So OJ is going to be my business owner who needs to set up a store, a business account on BananaCrystal. So from the menu, you have this section here for businesses. So in order to set up your store, you need to click on this menu here to be redirected to the WW page where you need to read more about the business accounts. So on this page, we have an extensive note on how you can accept payments for your store, set up your store, what is the virtual terminal POS, who needs a store. So I'm going to set up a store right now by clicking on that call to action. And here I'm redirected back into the web app to fill in the details. Setting up a store is very easy, but before going to setting up a store, let's talk about the advantages. The advantages of being a business owner on Banana Crystal includes low costs, so you're able to receive transactions at a very low cost. Also, we have quick withdrawal, so you're able to withdraw your funds to your specified destination. You're also able to add employees and team members and pay them through the Banana Crystal. And lastly, you are able to receive USDT on Polygon and be credited into your store as USD, which is very interesting. So, in this video, in this section of the video, we're going to talk about how to set up a store. So, fill in these details as you will. How did I hear about you? Facebook. I do not have a referral code. I'm going to include my business name. The business name is very important because this is who you are. So, I'm going to set up mine as OJ Tech. I'm going to include my business name. And the username is very important because your username is what people who are going to pay you can use to send you payments. So I'm just going to make it very easy. And my industry is technology. Proceeding to the next step. Here I'm asked to include my payment email. Also, the payment email is very important because this is what you are going to send, like the username, to your customers, so for them to pay you, to enable you receive payments. So my payment email is going to be ojtechpayments@gmail.com. So it's also going to be my support email. I'm going to fill in my address and my telephone, my website. It's just going to be a sample. Proceeding to the next step. And here, I'm going to specify what shopping cart software I'm going to include in my website. We need Shopify, WooCommerce, and that will be all. So with just 3 steps, I have been able to successfully create a new store and also create my business account on Banana Crystal. Very easy, very intuitive. And if you notice in the menu, I now have this section. So the business account has been substituted. What I had here before has been substituted for my business menu. As a business owner, I have my business accounts here. I can check my activities, look at my balance. Obviously, my balance is going to be zero because I just created the store. I can check my activity to see when I've received funds, the history of my store, and yeah, I'm able to receive payments. Now, for the next section of the video, I'll be walking us through how to receive funds for your store on BananaCrystal as a business owner. There are four major ways you can receive funds into your business account on BananaCrystal. The first one is by sending your store's username and payment email address, which was what we included during the setup, to your customers. Now, this is a very easy step. To find these details from your store menu, you go into the pay info. Now, the pay info has your store username and also it has your store email address. This store username and store email address can be sent to your customers for them to pay you into your business account. Also, you can share this entire pay me link to your customers. This is one of the most preferred method because yeah, if you click on this view of pay me, you are redirected to view the store, and in this instance a customer will be able to enter an order ID, the description of the order they're paying for, a reference, and the amount they want to pay. Clicking this button, straight and easy, 3 steps at most, and you're receiving payments already. Another step is to generate invoice. So to generate invoice, you come here to the invoices. Currently this is a new store, so there are not going to be invoice. We're going to create a new invoice. So an invoice for what amount? 10. The order ID, as a sample, item description gonna be one vintage shoe. So I'm a I'm a tech company selling shoes. Yeah, it happens. So for this, I'm gonna send in a sample email. So this customer here is gonna receive the email of this invoice. So he's going to be able to pay me through this invoice. And the other method for receiving payments into your store is by sending your blockchain address, your USDT Polygon address to your customers on other external payment network. So in this way, people who have external payment method, so you can see your USDT Polygon address here. You can also scan the QR code. In this instance, you can share this code to someone and they'll be able to credit you USDT on Polygon and your balance will be topped up. So I'm going to do a quick demonstration on how to send payment to a store. Remember, we're going to use the store email for this demonstration. So pick the store email and I'm going to navigate to another BananaCrystal user. So this is another BananaCrystal user. Let's assume this is my customer. I'm going to send payments, send funds. I'm going to send to a BananaCrystal account. I'm going to send one USD and enter the recipient's email address. And you can see OJ Tech, which is the name of my business. Payments for a product. Click on preview. So it's going to generate the fees and every other information. Click on submit. And now I am able to make payments into the store. After confirming this email, it's going to proceed to the next step. And that's it. Very easy steps on how you can receive payments to your store on BananaCrystal. The last category in the video is how to add team members and how to pay your team members. So for that, I'll be showing you here in the teams, adding a team members. So currently this is the only team member, which is the business owner. I can add a team member by specifying his role. Can be a staff or a manager, and you can see the role here. So a staff is this person with his role, a manager is this person with his role, and the owner is this person. So I'm going to add a staff, and the email address is member. Okay. See. So this user has currently been added to my store as a staff. If I should navigate to this other side, this is the member that has been added, OJOJ. It's going to simulate my employee. Currently, OJOJ is has no business account attached to his name. But now that he has been added as a member, as an employee, if I refresh this page, we're gonna see him currently here. So you can see now this store has been added to him. Tech. He is now a staff. You can view the activity, can view my balance, or is unable to withdraw. You can send my pay info, which is very, very similar to what we have, and you can also generate invoice for customers. So sending payment to your employee is very easy. It's as easy as receiving payments. So all you need to do is to go to a store that already has funds in it. So for that section of the video, I'll be simulating that with NAFTA store to verify. NAFTA store has some funds in it. So to send funds to my employees, all I need to do as a business owner is navigate to this page, which is the store name, then move into balances. From here, I'm going to click on send funds. Okay, so I'm going to send 0.5 USD. Then who am I sending this fund to? So if I remember, okay, yeah, there's a typo. Yeah, so this is my staff who I'm going to pay. So salary for November. Click on preview. After it has generated my fees, click on submit. And this is it. This is how you are able to set up a store. This is how you are able to receive payments. This is how you are also able to add team members and also pay your team members' salary on BananaCrystal. If there's any question, you can visit our website www.bananacrystal.com. You can go through the FAQs for more guidance and you can also contact our support at support@bananacrystal.com. Thank you and you have a nice day.